Welcome to the final video on our special blocks course. On this video we will learn about the posit and the conveyor belt blocks. Let's start with the posit. Click Categories and then click Utilities. This is the posit option. Click and then place the object on the stage. You can write text of up to 50 characters. In order to do so, click on the object and then click the text option under Object Properties, then type whatever you want. When you are done, press Enter or Tab on your keyboard. To modify the text, simply click on the posit and edit the content. Now let us look at the conveyor belt block. Click Categories, then click the Factory option. Scroll down until you locate the object. This is the conveyor belt block. You will be able to see in the ghost the direction that the conveyor belt takes. Select it and place it on stage twice in a row and in the same direction as you see it on screen. You must use at least 2 conveyor belts. Now, choose the block you want to go through the conveyor belts and place it next to the initial conveyor belt. You can choose any for prot block. Click on the band where you want the process to start. On the properties of the object, you can see 3 options: start, middle, or end. Choose the initial option. You will see that the Set Object option is enabled, indicating that you can select an object to start the simulation. Click Set Object and then click on the object you previously chose. The process will start and the block will follow the path of the conveyor. Remember that the conveyor belts must be aligned and next to the other for this to work. If you want to make different routes, you can rotate the bands in the direction you want, as long as the final part of one band touches the initial part of the next. Just as you see it on screen. Let's analyze the next case. We have one band next to the other, but the tile does not follow the route because it was misplaced. This band is not contacting the final part of the band that brings the process, so it is interrupted. In this case we must correct as follows. Observe carefully. Ready. Now it's corrected. Lastly, locate the final band and in Properties select Final. This will end the process. It's your turn. We are waiting for you in the next video tutorial.